Raver photo booth, March deal. Come get yours. Setting up the new photo booth. Here we go. So I put the base plate upside down. I put the pole on the inside, and then I start screwing the screws inside, so that way it's a one-person setup. Now I'm ready to do the next piece. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna connect my LED pieces together. Hold it, babe. Go ahead and put that in there. And now we're gonna go ahead and screw on those 8 screws there. If you want to put your printer stand in the back, you can definitely do that. And I would recommend only using small printers for that instead of the giant printers, because that won't fit on there. Another recommendation, we did include a screwdriver for you, but I would recommend getting something like this, so it's a lot faster. But just make sure you guys charge it. As you can see, I didn't charge it. It's dying already. I still need one more on this side. Actually, no, that's all. Yeah, this is dead. But yeah, having a power drill would definitely help you do this a lot faster. And then once you get all the 4 screws on the inside, now we're ready to put the head on top. So pick this up, position this. Now it'll sit on top, and then you're just going to put these 4 screws. There's 2 on the side and 2 on the back. And then you can use the little Allen wrenches to tighten it into place. Very simple setup. Shouldn't take you too long to set this up. If it doesn't align, you can always just move the booth back a little bit to get the proper alignment. Here you go. This one needs to be screwed in properly. Alright, so that's how you successfully set up the photo booth. Another couple things that you're going to want to put on top is, like we're going to be using a wireless flash. So we'll put this little flash rod on top. Feel for it, put that on there, take off my lens cap, center my camera, and now I'm ready to connect my power. When I'm on this setup, I'm actually going to be using a cube. So this is something you maybe want to buy if you're going to be providing prints. So I'm going to connect the booth on this one. I'm also going to connect the printer on this one, and then connect this to my extension cord. And then what I'm going to do is just turn this around so you can see. All I did is just turn this on, hit on for the computer. And then on the inside, I store my umbrella. I'm going to show you in just a moment how to install my flash. Okay, so we went ahead and turned on our camera. We turned on our hot shoe for the flash. Just make sure you hit on. We have our AC adapter connected. We have our data cable connected to the computer. We have our printer cable connected. And then at the top, you can see that I went ahead and installed my flash along with my umbrella. I already turned on DSLR booth. Now we're gonna set up our table, hide these wires, and give you for the final outcome in just a moment. I'm gonna do some test shots, make sure the lighting looks good, and that's pretty much it. That's how you successfully set this up. If you guys are looking to purchase or rent, please visit 360 Booth Expert. And if you haven't done so already, please follow us on Instagram at 360 Booth Expert. You can purchase and rent directly from us. All right, so we have the photo booth set up. We're gonna just give you a quick tutorial. This is what you guys are gonna experience. You're gonna hit start. You can choose the 4x6 or the photo strip. Once you hit next, it will start the sample. You can grab a prop, strike a pose, and it will start taking pictures. So there's photo number 1. Now I have some time to grab another prop. There's my sample. Lighting looks super, super rich. Here we go, number 2. Awesome. Everything is triggered on its own. As long as nobody disconnects power, it should be running perfectly fine. And here we go. Last photo. Awesome. All right, and so I'll have a total of 10 props available. This is what the final outcome would be once it's done taking pictures. It will automatically trigger the printers to start printing. You can preview it, you can email, text. And then hit send. You could also preview your GIFs and also send them as well. And once you hit done, you can go right back into the photo booth mode and do some more samples. So this is a sample of the 4x6 that's printed, and this is a sample of the 2x6 printed. You could see it's instant dry, super fast, and it cuts it for you. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to visit us at 360 Booth Expert, or you can give us a call here at any of our numbers and we'll be able to assist you with your purchases or tech support.